Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning about some common expressions that you can use when talking to some Filipino friends. It can be fun to know them and try using them to banter with some locals. Let's start with talaga. This means really. Ta-la-ga. Talaga. 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 Talaga po? Oo, maganda siya talaga. Hindi talaga maayos. Masyado. This translates to too or too much. Ma-sya-do. Masyado. 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 Masyado kang maingay. Maganda ba? Hindi masyado. Masyado pong mahal. The next one is sigurado. This could translate to sure in English. Si-gu-ra-do. Sigurado. 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 Sigurado ka ba? Sigurado ka bang maayos mo? Sigurado po ako. Seryoso. This means serious. Ser-yo-so. Seryoso. 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 Seryoso ka? Opo, seryoso po ako. Seryoso po sila, ate. The last one, niloloko mo ba ako? This is, are you kidding me in English? Ni-lo-lo-ko mo ba ako? Niloloko mo ba ako? Niloloko mo ba ako? Niloloko mo ba ako? Seryoso ka ba o niloloko mo ako? Niloloko mo ba ako? Totoo ba yan? Niloloko mo yata ako. These are just some of the most common Filipino expressions that can be useful during your stay in the country. Now, let's practice. This means really. Talaga. Too or too much. Masyado. This is sure. Sigurado. This means serious. Seryoso. Are you kidding me? Niloloko mo ba ako? I hope you find them helpful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.